Hello my friends, welcome back. My name is Scott. For today's video, we are taking a look at the Smart Bird Feeder, battery solar powered. It has AI bird recognition. Let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys everything you get and test it out. Okay, there's quite a few accessories. We have a manual, strap, power cable for charging if you want to charge it with a USB right away. We have all of our screws for mounting. They give you a screwdriver, which is really nice. Your mounting bracket. So this is going to be your bracket. You're going to mount it if you want. You don't have to use the bracket. That's going to be up to you. In here we have our bird feeder little stand. That's where the birds are going to eat and stand from. We have our antenna, another mounting bracket, and a solar panel with a very long cable, which is nice. So you're going to put this panel somewhere that's a little different than how this is set up, and I'll show you why. Because this has two panels on the top, which is amazing. Almost all the bird feeders I've reviewed don't have panels on the top. They just have this one little panel. This is very smart of the company for adding two panels on the top, so you can get sunlight directly on top here. Then you can position this at another area that's going to get sun as well. Very, very smart. Very, very smart. So this is what the camera looks like. Make sure you peel off all the plastic that is around the camera, and you can see your camera is inside this little protective house. You can lift this up like this and make sure that the plug is inside. Sometimes it can work loose, but make sure that plug is inside here, and then you can go ahead and move it back. On the back here, you can see this is where your antenna is going to go. So you would connect your antenna like this and then position it upward. So when you're mounting it, make sure you have room and clearance. This is where the long panel is going to be connected to, the long solar panel. So you're just going to pop this off, take this off, and connect it, which is really nice. Overall, very nice. There's a camera again. Let's go ahead and set it up and install it. For setting it up, it's not going to be that hard. You're just going to place it on like this, down in here, run the screws down under in here. This is going to mount to your bracket on here. Everything's going to be connected basically like this, and you're going to be able to position it, underneath like this, and you're going to thread your bolt in down through there just like that, and then you can mount this anywhere you want. Again, it's super simple, super easy to set up.